Hi, my name is Matthew Pierce, and today I'm going to show you how to embed a Word document in Microsoft Excel. Now, the first thing you want to do is bring up Excel and open up your spreadsheet. Then what you do is go over to your Insert menu, go Insert, Object, and then once that comes up, you have two choices here. You can say Create New, and what you can do is slide down this list until you get to Microsoft Word document. You can do that, and it'll put it in as just a blank space that you can type stuff in. And then what you can do is go out into your file system, find the document you want there, find its icon, drag it and drop it in. But probably the easier thing to do is to create from file, and then what you do is you browse for the file that you want to embed. Find it in there. I'll go with that one there. Now you've got these two check boxes right here. If you say display as an icon, what that'll do is it'll just put a little icon in your Excel spreadsheet that you can click on to bring up the document, and that saves a lot of space. If it's a long document, it's going to take up a lot of space on the screen, so that's a good option. And the other one is link to file. If you don't link to file, what it's going to do is it's going to copy the file into Excel, the contents as a Word doc, and leave it in there, but it'll separate it from the original document. If you have link to file, it will leave a link between the Excel object and the file, so that if you go later in Word and alter the file, those changes will show up in the Excel spreadsheet the next time you open it. So depending upon what you want to do, that's how you do it. And then once you get that set up, you click OK, and there it does. It embeds it into your Microsoft Excel file or document. So that's how you embed a Microsoft Word document in a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. My name is Matt Pierce. Thanks for watching.